Is it possible to lose weight with Cabbage Diet Soup? As the name suggests, the Cabbage Soup diet requires you to eat large amounts of cabbage soup for 7 days. While following this diet plan, you can also eat a few other things like fruits, except banana, beef, skim milk, and vegetables, but on specific days. The idea of the diet is to create a calorie deficit, which is the first step for losing weight. The diet promises to make you lose 4.5 kilos by the end of the week when you follow the diet. But is it safe to follow this diet, and are there any side effects? Let's see. Hello friends! Before you start watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe to us and press the bell icon beside the subscription button to get notified every time on YouTube. The diet has been popular among Weight Watchers for years, but the origin of the diet is unknown. The diet became popular in the 1980s, and it was also called military cabbage soup, TJ Miracle soup diet, and Russian peasant diet. How does the diet work? The diet has many different versions, but the basic one includes a homemade fat-free cabbage soup along with specific low-calorie foods, which are supposed to be consumed on specific days. Cabbage soup recipe. The basic cabbage soup recipe includes cabbage, canned tomatoes, onions, garlic, broth, water, and tomato juice. The diet typically lasts for 1 week. While following the diet, you have to consume multiple bowls of cabbage soup and other unloaded foods for that day. The diet plan. The 7-day meal plan allows specific food on specific days, along with at least 1 serving of the soup. There are many versions of this diet. Here's one simple version. Aim for several bowls of soup with 8-ounce glasses of water daily. Do not have alcohol or artificial sugar for the entire week. Day 1. Unlimited fruits, except banana. Day 2. Unlimited raw and cooked vegetables except for dry beans, corn, and peas. 1 large baked potato with butter for dinner. Day 3. Unlimited vegetables and fruits except banana. Day 4. Up to 8 bananas along with skimmed milk. Day 5. 300 to 500 grams of beef or poultry and up to 6 fresh tomatoes. Day 6. Unlimited beef along with vegetables. Day 7. Unlimited brown rice and sweetened fruit juice and vegetables. There are no specific timings or fastings required to follow the cabbage soup diet. Cabbage soup and weight loss. The cabbage soup is a fad diet that can provide you with quick weight loss results, but the diet is not medically and nutritionally sound. Eating repetitive meals can be boring, and the short-term results are definitely not long-lasting. The diet plan requires you to eat 1,200 calories and even less per day, which is not healthy. Doing so can lead to serious health issues, and moreover, it can cause your weight to rebound when the diet is complete. Also, the diet doesn't help you in dealing with emotional eating or developing skills that are required for long-term weight loss. So after the diet is over, you are more likely to gain back the lost weight. Feel free to comment in the comment box if you have any questions. And if you liked our videos, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up.